Yamaha CS series video collaboration system uses Yamaha SoundCap I to reduce the noise and give you a clear voice. The SoundCap I is designed to work in open spaces where the environmental sound is hard to control. By creating a simulated huddle room in front of the device, it's able to reduce noise and enhance your voice to the far end.
Yeah, thanks. So I will take this further now.
SoundCap I combines 3 unique features in order to create this shielded area. Firstly, it focuses its microphones on you, the speaker, excluding unwanted sound using base focus beam forming.
Yeah, so the numbers look good, and we're actually ahead this quarter.
Secondly, silencing itself when it recognizes that no one is talking.
Yeah, so the numbers look good, and we're actually ahead this quarter.
And finally, adjusts its volume dynamically to its surroundings in order to not disturb or be overheard. All of this combined makes up its invisible shielded zone that is excellent for clear communication despite tough conditions.